What's really strange is I actually haven't filmed a video in almost a week now. The videos that you guys have been watching for the past week on the channel have all been filmed weeks ago because for the last week we've been moving into the new house, which I showed you guys about 2 weeks ago. We have finally moved in and I want to give you guys a little walkthrough of what the house looks like, and there are still a bunch of things to change, but I want to show you guys what we've been working on for the past week. I haven't brought all the cars to the house yet just because we are still redesigning the garage, and I asked you guys a long time ago for some thoughts and some comments down below on some white epoxy floors because, as I let you guys know, I was really interested in doing some flooring and taking on the job myself. I think that you guys would be happy to know that I have decided not to follow through with that plan because I've actually found a company that is local to San Diego that is going to be redesigning this whole entire garage with us. I had them come in a few days ago, pick out the flooring color, pick out the cabinetry color, pick out the logoing color. So that's pretty much the main reason as to why I haven't transported more cars in here and unloaded more things in here, because everything that is in this garage is going to have to go out for about 4 to 5 days while we are rebuilding and designing this whole entire garage. I will say though, having the R8 and the Lambo parked side by side in this garage was one of the coolest feelings ever. I can't wait till we have multiple cars just chilling in this garage. So I want to start off with the office because this is like my favorite room that is honestly still in shambles, but I'm slowly getting it together. I got a new computer desk. I've set up my triple monitor setup. I have my big video TV screen up above it, and our sim is not yet set up yet. I have a new computer incoming from this that I still need to pick up. I just haven't gotten around to doing it yet. But one thing that I want to note while we are looking at this computer, for those of you guys who follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, you hear me talk about streaming a lot. I've been on Twitch a lot more recently now that we have moved in. I have my camera stuff set up. But when I moved into the house, there was Wi-Fi that came with it because when they were building the house, the builders set up Wi-Fi so they could like set up all the smart features on the house and all that type of stuff. What I'm telling you guys is we are in a particular spot where we don't get coverage from Cox, Spectrum, AT&T, all your typical like Wi-Fi providers that can get like really strong internet. We don't get out here because we don't live in the city. We live on like a bunch of land and like we are just outside of the norm. So we have to have satellite Wi-Fi, satellite internet, which for those who don't know is not typically the best. So the house right now has some really terrible satellite Wi-Fi that I actually just called in. I canceled it. We have new Wi-Fi getting installed today at around, actually in the next 30 minutes it should be showing up, and we should be getting 100 up, 100 down so I can actually stream and stuff, because the last few times I have streamed, the internet stream has just died because the internet is just so crappy. So new internet is coming soon, and I'm back on Twitch on a regular schedule, so if you want to watch me on Twitch every night, I'll link it down below and you guys can go follow me there. I feel like I already gave you guys a house tour, so I don't want to like go through the whole entire house with you again. Hi Sabrina. But the house looks really good. What? Sabrina's pretty proud of this dining room table. All the furniture that you see in the house is all the furniture from our last spot because we still haven't gotten new furniture yet, which we are like in dire need to doing. We just have to like catch up with work first. But our old couch fit, all that stuff fit really well. I'm actually surprised this thing fit in here, and our old TV fit in here. Now this TV that used to be like massive now looks kind of small, which is pretty funny. There were a lot of comments about how big this master bedroom was, and I don't even think I can really describe to you guys how big this thing is, but this is a California king bed. This is a massive bed, and this bed looks actually really small in this room, but I absolutely love it. One of the main things that I want to show you guys that I'm super proud of, and I got a lot of feedback on Instagram, was my closet. This is my closet. It is literally a dream closet. Just how you have a dream garage, this is my dream closet. I got all my shoes, I got all my sneakers, I got more dress shoes down here. I got a place for my watches and all that type of stuff. And then I put all my favorite shoe boxes up on the top, so it looks pretty nice. It's one of those things that it makes me so happy and I don't really understand why, but I just accept it and I love it. One fun fact about the shower, it's so big, it's actually cold in there. With even the hot as it gets, because there's so much surface area in the shower, you only feel warm when you're under the water, and because there's no door right here, you're always getting a constant breeze of cold air. So the shower, as cool as it looks, is actually kind of miserable. So we're gonna be closing it off and I think adding another like thaw faucet thing so there's more water in there so it creates more steam. It's a really weird thing to like complain about, but it's freezing in that shower even when you have the water all the way up. It's just freezing all the time. So we're gonna be changing that pretty soon. Also something adorable that we have realized the boys have learned is when we're not in the house, there's a window right here on the side, and both the boys just peek both their heads over both the windows and they just stare at us at all times of the day when we leave. It's like the cutest thing in the whole entire world. We just got some electric off-road scooters mailed into the shop, and I really want them for the house. So we're gonna drive down there and go pick it up and bring it home and do a little off-roading. I still need to transfer all the dirt bikes and pit bikes and stuff to the house too. Again, one of the things I would have done if we weren't doing the floors in the garage, and I just don't want to move stuff in here and then have to transport all of it out to redo the floors. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Look at this! We got ourselves an electric scooter. I think there's, no, nothing here. I don't even know if it's charged up. Oh, I got a set of keys. I got an alarm that locks. Dang. What do you think, huh?
Dude, I don't know if I like it yet.
I think you do like it.
I don't know if I do.
What do you mean?
I want to ride it.
What? Go for a rip.
Go pop some wheelie.
Well, take it out the front door.
First.
Oh. Dude, this thing's a little ripper. I gotta install my mirrors though. I'm gonna need someone to help me lift this in the back so I can tie it down.
Mirrors? You're gonna make it like street legal?
Well, it came with mirrors. I haven't installed it yet. There's like little spots for mirrors. So this bike is from a company called Zoomer. They sent us out 2 bikes. The first one just showed up today. They are electric scooters that go like 20 miles an hour. You got a set of keys on here. Let's go for a little rip, boys. Oh my God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay. Oh, she wheels, bud. Okay, what I have learned is there's no suspension on this thing, so the moment you go to any outdoor location and you do not drive on the street, this thing is extremely bumpy. It does go pretty fast though, but it is really, oh no, oh God, oh shit. All right, maybe that was a bad move, going on the off-road. Well, for anyone who's looking to buy one of these things, they're very sturdy, but I do not recommend going off-roading in it. He almost just fell. Oh, Mickey just took the old hog for a rip. I don't know why I like silly toys like that, but I do. I bet you any second he's gonna come wheeling around this corner. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's bad, dude. That's pretty sick.
TJ.
You got it.
She doesn't want to get back on with me.
Come on, Sabrina, hop on. Oh boy, oh boy.
Stop, dude, stop.
Ooh, next to the ledge, that's a bad idea.
Keep moving forward.
So because this is basically turned into a house vlog video, I need to slowly start setting up the sim racing setup, and I don't know exactly where I want to put it. I think I want to put it in this corner behind me. I'm going to set up this stand and the TV and see how it looks. See, I was thinking the sim should be best in this corner or in this corner. I think I'm gonna put it in this corner. So I'm gonna try to assemble this a little bit. When I disassembled this, I had Calvin's help and it was a lot easier, but I might be able to do this by myself. All I have to do is just put the pedal box on the bottom of the like extension on the bottom, slide the bolts in. The only thing is it's pretty heavy, so it might be kind of tough to stabilize it. And then if I can get that on, I'm really confident that I'll be able to get this seat on, which should be pretty easy. And I'll slowly start putting together this room. Let's see if I can make this happen here. Last thing I want to do is drop it. Oh, your boy got it. Once I get this set up, yo, the streams are about to get hot. How do I want to set this up? I don't remember if I had it angled or not. All right, now if I'm able to get this seat on by myself, I'll be very impressed, boys. Happy to report, I've been able to get the chair onto the racing sim. Now I just gotta use my bunk hardware and tools to tighten it up. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, honestly. but it is definitely a lot easier with 2 people. And it makes filming it nearly impossible. Taking a quick break for some taquitos. Ow, 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 ow. Woo. Boo! Holy! See how much it sucks when you scare me? See how much it sucks?
I accidentally posted this RS on my story and everyone thinks
It's still not done, but at least I have the pedals on, I have the seat mounted, and I got everything kind of in the right spot. I still have this huge box right here full of all of the cables, all of the power boxes, ton of stuff. Can't install any of that or kind of place any of that until I have the new computer in. So until I get the new computer, which probably won't be till next week, this is where it's gonna be. I think I'm happy with this placement. I just don't know if I want my other computer desk that I wanna like edit on to be here or over here. So I gotta figure that out, but I like this. Now that that's all done, there's only one way to end the night. Oh my gosh, this thing is so hot. I feel like I've been working for this type of evening my whole entire life. Ending the day off in the hot tub at night. I have literally been dreaming about nights like this for as long as I could remember. House moving video coming to an end. We have the fireplace on, about to turn on some TV. It's weird because literally 2 weeks ago I was like, say goodbye to this house because this is the last we're gonna see of it. And here we are. I'm in my little bathrobe after the hot tub. It's a brisk cold walk back to the house. All right guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. There's a lot of big stuff in the works right now. I've been talking about it on Instagram. There are 2 major projects that are about to go down. So much amazing stuff that I've been slacking on videos a little bit, but I've been putting in a bunch of work behind the scenes for some crazy stuff going on. I just bought a new car that you guys won't see for a very, very long time, but I think I'm gonna keep it under a car cover in the garage until we're ready to start that project. But I promise you, this is something none of you will ever see coming, ever. Ever, 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 ever. It is nothing we've ever done before. I'll give you guys a little more details when we get closer to that build, but it's gonna be amazing and none of you will see it coming. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys very, very soon. We're getting back to our normal posting schedule. I apologize for the lack of videos. Peace out and keep moving forward.